Bring a pan of water to a boil to cover the fish cakes. While the water is boiling, I'll prepare the ingredients. Slice some carrots for nice color and texture. Chop half an onion, a must for fatty foods. Chop the green onions, which are indispensable for Korean food. Slice 1 red pepper for a little extra heat. A real man would slice 3 peppers. Mince the garlic. We need about 1 tablespoon of that. Now, when the water is boiling, blanch the fish cakes in boiling water for 40 seconds. Blanching the fish cakes in boiling water removes excess surface oil. Use a colander to drain the fish cakes. Cut 5 pieces of fish cakes into bite-sized pieces. Fish cakes are made with fish, so the more expensive, the better quality. If you add too much oil, it'll be greasy, so go easy on it. As always, add a tablespoon of minced garlic and sauté. When you sauté garlic, you can smell the savory aroma of garlic. When the garlic is golden, add the fish cakes. Shaky, 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 stir-fry fish cakes. When the color of fish cakes starts to change, add 100 ml of water, just enough to submerge the fish cakes. If you keep boiling, the water will be reduced little by little. Add vegetables and sauté. The sweetness of the carrots and onions will come through, so you don't need to add sugar. If you like it sweet, you can add 1/2 to 1 tablespoon of sugar. 3 tablespoons soy sauce. 1/2 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Stir at lightning speed to combine the sauce. Add the green onions and chili peppers when the moisture is almost gone. Subtle, spicy flavor takes away fatty taste. Now add a tablespoon of sesame oil for a final nutty flavor and stir fry for 30 seconds or so. A salty and flavorful side dish, stir-fried fish cakes, are ready. Put it on a plate, please. Shake the sesame seeds off like you're not paying attention. A spoonful of fish cakes on a warm bowl of rice is enough to bring back your dog from running away. Place the fish cakes in an airtight container, cool it down, and refrigerate. You can find the recipe in the description section at the bottom of the video. Thank you again today.